LeBron James. Okay, so here's the next problem. Um, so again, we're going to read, annotate, then we're going to use this time a tree to represent our combinations. Okay, so let's start with reading it. You are going to make a sandwich. You have 2 types of bread, 3 types of cheese, and 2 types of meat. How many combinations can you make with the ingredients? So we're given 3 categories. We have bread, okay? So we have 2 types of bread, 3 types of cheese, and 2 types of meat, okay? So we're given these 3 categories, and then in parentheses, we're being told what the options are, right? So for bread, we have white and wheat, okay? For our cheese, we have provolone, American, and Swiss. And then finally, with the meat, we have turkey or ham, okay? And we want to know how many combinations can you make with the ingredients. So we want to find out our total number of combinations that we can make. So in the last one, there was just 2 categories that we were going to combine. This time we have 3. So this is what I like to do. I start by writing my category. So I can start with my bread. Okay. And I know that with my bread, I'm going to have either white or I'm going to have wheat. Okay. Then I have cheese. Now, here's the thing. With the cheese, I can have provolone, American, or Swiss. So that means that I can combine those 3 options with my white bread, and I can combine those 3 options with my wheat. So what that looks like is something like this. So we're going to make a little tree here. And instead of writing it all out, I'm just going to use P for provolone, A for American, and S for Swiss. Pass without an extra S. I don't know. Same thing with the wheat. We can combine our wheat with provolone, American, or Swiss. Finally, the last category we have is the meat. And we can have turkey or ham, okay? So check this out. With each combination now, if I just stopped here, I didn't think about the meat, I would be finished. I could match my bread with my cheese. But we're going to add the other option of meat. So with each one of these cheese options, I can combine it with my meat. So I can take my provolone and I can mix it with turkey or ham. I can take my American and mix it with turkey or ham. And similar with the Swiss, I can get turkey or ham. Okay, so I've taken my cheeses and I have matched them up with my different meat options. Now, we want to do the same thing with our wheat bread, right? We're starting out with wheat bread. We've combined it with the cheese, and now we need to combine those with the meat. So again, I can draw my little tree here. With my provolone, I can match it with turkey or ham. Combine it With my American, I can do the same thing, turkey or ham. And then with my Swiss, I could do turkey or ham. So we've just finished our tree, and I know that I'm finished because I took care of my bread options, I took care of my cheese and my meat, and I don't have any more ingredients. Okay, I don't have mayo, I don't have mustard. Okay, I think those are essential for a nice tasting sandwich. Okay, now here's the thing. Before with the table, we could write in all the combinations, right? With this one, it's a little bit different. So we could say I can have white bread with provolone cheese and turkey, and that's one option. So when I get to the end of my tree, I have one option. I can do that again. I could do white bread with provolone and ham. That's my second option. And I could make another table and list out all my options if I needed to. But with this problem, we just want the total number of combinations. So I'm going to look at the ends of my trees and I'm going to start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I have 12 total combinations. Okay. So that's pretty much it to find our total number of combinations. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'm more than happy to make another video with different numbers, with different word problems. You just got to let me know, okay? And later on, in a couple videos, I'll give you a shortcut for these type of problems, okay? So, see y'all around.